Hello friends, today we are going to see how to install Kali Linux operating system. Now you may be thinking, why Kali Linux? There are many advantages of Kali Linux. There are more than 600 penetration apps. Linux is always free and Kali Linux is also free. It is multi-language supportable. It has rooted tool, and as of all Linux, it is virus free. It can run without installing. That's why it is favorable among all the hackers all around the globe. And now this is how we'll be installing Kali Linux OS. Now going to downloading ISO files. ISO files are the files that we will need to install the operating system. Now we are going to search Kali Linux download. We will go to official website of Kali organization. There are different torrents for different operating system versions. We are going to choose 64-bit 2020 version. It's of 3.7 GB. It's on the top. Creating bootable USB drive. There are different softwares available to create a bootable USB drive like Rufus, Universal USB Installer and PowerISO. Here we have used the PowerISO. Installing Kali Linux. Now after rebooting, okay. Now this shows select language and area. Now we are detecting the media, means flash drive, in which we have downloaded the ISO file. It is now loading the components to install the Kali Linux. Now it is detecting a network hardware. Now we are configuring the network. We will use the Intel's hardware. I have created here hotspot from my mobile, entering the password for the hotspot. After it is connected to the hotspot, we will get this connected to this network. Now it is entering the name of the domain or host name. This host name will serve as the name for the system. Now it is creating profile. We will create a full name for our profile. Okay, this will be the username. Now we need to add the password to the profile. Okay, now as we have choose the America as the region, now it is detecting the risks. As we all know, we have to create a partition to install the operating system. Now there are different partitions made here in a single 1 TB hard disk. Now we will choose one of this and create a partition in it. Okay, let's choose this one. Now we are creating a new partition. We will use nearly 8 GB of this space in this partition. You can also do it by the percentage. Now the partition we have created, we are going to use it as a swapped area. 8 GB of swap area is created. Remaining 23 GB or whatever, we are now automatically partitioning this system. Okay, it is done. Now continue our next processes. Now the partitioning will happen. It is going to partition the disks to install the OS. Now it has started installing the base system. Now the installing is nearly completed. Now it will install some softwares which are given in Kali from the start. It will also take some time. Now these are the softwares we can choose to install or not. It's up to your choice which softwares you are going to use. Okay. Let's continue. Now it will install these softwares. It is also going to take too much time, so we are gonna skip. Now after installing that software, it is installing the Grub bootloader. After it finishes installing Grub bootloader, it is making its final installations. Install is complete. After we click continue button, the computer will restart. Okay, now we will do some basic settings, or what I say. We are going to log in our profile. Let the operating system start or boot as I say. Okay, let's enter username and password. Boom! We have successfully installed the Kali Linux operating system. Now, to stop the video, we will set up. Thanks for watching. this video.